Hey y'all, welcome to Blue Bike Doors Channel, another episode of Dickin ran in the shed. Spider webs, we got them all over. We're in that intro. Welcome to the shed. Today's project is the grill for the POS 10, and I just lost my pen out of it. So I'm putting on that apron. That means we're going to do some working and some grinding, right? I guess. Well, we working on it. This is about the second attempt. This is plan B or C. I don't remember. So, we're making a spider web. That's going to be the theme of the S10, is spider webs, I guess. I don't know. We'll see. But, if I don't decide to go and just buy another grill, we'll see how this turns out. So this is, first try was going to do it out of this. We was going to do it out of this. This is 1/2 inch, and there's more curves in it than the back of the Dragons, I guess. There's more curve. You got to curve this away. It curves this away, and that was giving me a pain because this was too hard to bend and heat up and twist. And I had these kind of right, and I decided just to trash this one. I didn't record much of it because there's a lot of profanity used. So here's what we got, and I kind of, when I was thinking about it, I was thinking it looked like this. This is the upside down. Well, you need to have, So anyway, I used, who says you can't use hot glue gun when you working with metal? So I used the hot glue gun to kind of help hold everything till I got it situated. We made it in 4 steps. Well, 4 or 5, I don't know. We bit this bar, left a gap here, bit this bar, got the gap here and here, and then did these two, trying to get them all the angles lined up. And then I put these bars in it, cause see, it curves this away too. Not only this away, it curves this away, and it was giving me pains. So each time you weld it, you put more heat in it, and it does this number. It whelps and twists and turns, and anyway, that's where we at. So I'm just kind of doing one piece at a time. One piece at a time. That's how you eat an elephant, if you didn't know. So I'm just kind of bending and going, something like that, and we'll tack one piece in and move on to the next. So yeah, it's working out pretty good. I don't know, I just messing around with it. So let me tack this one in. Every time I put this hammer on, I gotta adjust it. Guess it causes my welding hood. Turn the gas on, gas is on, welder's on. Make sure you hook the ground up. And where's my powers on? Oh, man. I like using these needle nose, that's why they don't get away. And try to set this in here and like I wanted it.
big glove gets in the way. The way I want it to look. And when I get it, I should have this in my hand. And welding. And tack it. Tacky, tacky.
So that's the process. I don't know if you can see that or not, but we'll make it look like a spider weld. Welding hood on, put your grinding hood on. Safety third, you know. Yep. So what I do is I kind of make a bend, and then I want to try to make this bend here, and I need to go to the other bench grinder and grind the corner off. Grinded that up. So what I do is haul like this, right here, and I try to finish it like that, so it can look like it curves, and you won't curve in it like here. And then I finish it, yeah, it don't look like this, no. I'm gonna go with it right here. Yeah, I'll do that. I'm gonna cut it, and I'm gonna cut it. Woo! That scared me. I ain't got enough room to maneuver in here. So now I'm gonna cut this mark I just made. Got my pen. Put the pen in my pocket.
I won't lose it. Change hood, because we got wheel. Ain't what I need. Something like that, and I'm gonna move my sheet. Underneath this right here on my head. Welding.
Tacky, tacky. Well, alright, I'm gonna continue to work. Y'all go do something, get your cold drink, cold snack, whatever. See me in about a couple of days. Maybe. Pretty much, it's cut, grind, fit, weld. Cut, grind, repeat. You got it. Cut, grind, weld, repeat. Cut, grind, weld, yeah, something like that. Okay, as you can see, we have got kind of on the truck. It ain't bolted in, it ain't done yet. Got a lot of cleaning up. I like. One here, and then I'm gonna probably put one in here somewhere in there and here, and a whole lot of cleaning up. Yep. But I done burnt my fingers too many times, and my back's hurt. Well, it don't look like the phone's gonna connect, so hopefully you got all that. Time to change from the working hat to my going in the house hat. So if you would, check out that video there and that one. And hope y'all hit the subscribe button. It's free. Maybe y'all ain't getting tired of the POS. Nope. Later. Bye-bye.